Here is my reading training routines for TOEFL. There's like eight steps. I think it is quite useful for me. At least I improved a lot by following all the steps. So you just try to finish one articles in the exam, TOEFL exam, sample exams, stuff like that, and try to finish it on time, because have a good sense of time and the progress uh, on each questions, how long it takes to finish each question, and how long does it take to finish that type of question even. It's very important for you to have a good sense of time and how fast you can finish all of the articles that is required to be finished in the exam. So if you don't have enough time, of course, try to finish it. But you know, having having a having a discipline such that you will follow the time limit and know that roughly how long it takes for certain type of questions in the TOEFL is very important. And after that, you can check the answer and find out. And do not look at the explanation right away. Try to find out why you got it wrong yourself first. It's in a way like sometimes you just misread something. Sometimes you just you're just being careless. Sometimes you just forgot no or not, stuff like that, or there's some part you're missing or some part you misunderstood. Then this is a very good way. So do not skip that. Just figure out yourself first, and if you cannot, by own like, just cannot figure out no matter what, then just check the explanations, um, and then I suggest you to check all the explanations of those questions. Even though you got them right, but sometimes the explanation itself offers very good information. For instance, they sometimes teach you a trick. You don't have to read the whole article. You just need to read this sentence or this key word is very important. Or there are some tricks that you can, for instance, you can exclude certain choices. So yeah, please read all the explanations, like explanations on all the questions. That could be very beneficial. And also, and after that, just try to read slowly, like word by word, because sometimes if you're just starting to train for TOEFL, then you'll find that you cannot finish them under the time limit. So if you have time, just read it slowly and check the words that you don't actually know. So that can build up your vocabulary and make you understand the actually most of the time the articles have a certain structure. After you read so much of it, you just get a general grasp of the structure on the articles. Then you could potentially read it faster, or you can. Sometimes I don't even finish the articles, and then just do the question. So check the words that you don't know and read it slowly to make sure that I understand all the parts and know if you could potentially summarize the paragraph in one sentence, that would be even better. And look at the question again and do it yourself, and you could find out that you could answer it much better and with less doubt. So that is a very important part. Then you will find out that you actually improve over this procedure, and also you find that you could, for given enough time, you could potentially perform better, and maybe you could, based on this experience, figure out certain strategies that you can use for your for tackling those questions. Of course, I will make another videos on the strategies on different topics, on different subjects. But that's the training routines for reading.